Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam from MarineMax. Today, we're going to be walking through a 2026 250 SDX by Sea Ray. Starting on the back here, you have the 250 Mercury Verado. This is going to be a V8 naturally aspirated platform. Sea deck across the entire swim platform, and a beautiful sun pad with an adjustable headrest there. As we get into the starboard walkthrough here, you'll walk your way right into the cockpit, where you have an unbelievable seating layout, storage under all those seats, reversible backrests to either extend your lounging positions or to give you comfort when you're running the boat. This particular one has the dual Simrad screens, Mercury digital throttle by shift, and some repetitive toggle switches right below the helm there. You have storage on the port side, a full head on the starboard, and walking up through the centerline walkthrough, you have an unbelievable open seating arrangement at the bow. Speakers, cup holders, and a little bit more storage underneath some of those seats for anything you might need to put away. This is the 250 SDX at MarineMax Danvers, right off 128. You have any questions, come down and see me. My name is Adam.